Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well guys, many of you have serious problem in IELTS writing. Agree? Good. Say agreed. Okay. Most of you don't know how many types are there in academic writing task 1. Agree? Say agreed. Whenever you start writing your essay or report or letter, you don't know how to start. And then you've got weak grammar. You don't know how many body paragraphs should there be in your essay and what to write in the body paragraphs. What are the essential components for body paragraphs? And above all, you have no information about 7 to 8 band writing standards. Where there is a problem, there is solution, and Asad Yaqub is behind that solution. Well, a great news for you all. I have just received this wonderful book on IELTS writing, academic as well as gender training. This book is going to be your survival for IELTS writing. If you are disappointed, if you don't know what to do with your writing, and you might have noticed, even if you go to language centers, coaching centers, they don't focus your writing that much. So this book is a self-help book. Usually I don't recommend my students to print out the books, but for this book I highly recommend. Once you receive the book, you should print it out, and then with the help of pencil, you need to solve the exercises. This book will teach you how to write paragraphs, how to write sentences, what are the sentences which can bring you good bench score, how to structure your essay, your report and all that. In fact, it's actually a practical book where you will solve, where you will write and learn your writing or improve your writing skill. Now, as far as getting this book is concerned, very simple. On my same number, I have Telegram account. On Telegram, I have a group, IELTS group. All you need to do, you need to join that IELTS group on Telegram. The link is given in description. Just go to that link, join my Telegram group, and there I'm going to share this wonderful book. And let me tell you, whenever I share any resource, first of all, I go through that. Now, as far as this book is concerned, first I have printed my own copy and I've just been through it, and now I'm recommending this book to you that it is good. You can actually use it. So just go to Telegram, join my group over there. The link is given, and once you join the group, you will receive this book, and I request you to print this book out and then send me the picture of printed book on my WhatsApp. Okay, exactly. Let me tell you guys, I know you are struggling with writing and nobody guides very well. You go to coaching center, they say, okay, write essay, and then they give you 4 band, 4.5 band, but nobody actually teaches you how to write good essays. And this book is going to be like you are sitting in your mother's lap and your mother is holding your hand and teaching you how to write. This book will teach you in such a way. And you know, I'm not doing any business with the book. I'm giving it to you free of cost. I request you all to pray for my father. Actually, my father passed away 3 months ago from today. And this morning I went to the graveyard to see the grave of my father, and from inside I'm literally heartbroken. I don't know how to survive without my father, but actually my father has given me a mission and I'm trying to overcome that mission actually. All right, thank you very much guys. All the best. I truly wish you best of luck. I'll share this book with you all, and then you can get most of the benefit from this book, and definitely it will help you a lot. All the best guys. Thank you. Take care. Asad Yaqub wholeheartedly wishes you all the best. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.